Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to share with you another sound effects package. It's called the Sound Effects Bible, as you can see right now on the screen, and I want to give it to you for free because last week I gave a sound package called Singularity, and I saw this video that I released to YouTube was raise view to my channel, so I thought that more people will be interested in sound effects, and of course I will continue give a lot of video that you can use text and lower third and titles. Of course I can continue give this for free on a further weeks, but today I think to give another sound effects Bible for all of those that support this channel and visit this video Singularity sound effects video, and also for others that might be interesting for the first package. You can download link on the description below. So I hope you enjoy this sound effects. I'm just going to show you a little what you will get in this package, and then you can download it and check it for yourself after. So here we have the package. It's 15 folders: emergency, explosive, horror, production elements, industry, technology, water, weather, household, humans, impact, industry, and Bible, multimedia, and sound effects Bible, office, sports, and vehicle. So if you go into just for example vehicle, 177 sound effects of vehicle. Total weight of all these folders, it's around 4 gigabytes. So you can take your time and download it. Weather, you get 20 of them. Sound effects humans, 192 humans sound effects. You can check the list right here. And then you have industry, you have 261 industry sound. You can see the list. All of this you get for free. Water, 164 sound effects of water. I hope you will like this package. Please download. Also subscribe, like, and share this video so others can enjoy this wonderful package of sound effects. As always, stay creative, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.